Now it's time to look at how we review an update or analyze a change. And this is one of the most powerful use cases for the Nodes and Links AI platform. Now, before we can start diving into the analytics, what we need to do is upload schedules to compare. So all we do is click on this plus button in the top left of the project that we want to update. If we do that, we'll be able to say that it's a new version. I can name it, for example, version 14. And all I have to do is drag and drop the XCR, PP, or MPP file here and click create. And after that, it's all automated for me. Then when I want to be able to compare two schedules, all I need to do is go to the schedule that I want to compare with, let's say version 6, and I'll set that to baseline because the system always compares the schedule versus the last one versus the baseline. The two that we can choose are the schedule and the baseline. So if I click change to baseline here and OK, this is a very easy and temporary switch. It will recalculate all of the calculations to compare against version 6 now, and we'll analyze from that point on.